What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. Just wanted to share another update for you. We just about got Equifax cleaned up on this round. $265,000 loan care. And then look at there. 2 different bankruptcies deleted. He only has 1 item left on Equifax. And this is round number 1. 9 items deleted, 65-point increase on Equifax, 12-point increase on Experian, 3-point increase on TransUnion. This is 35 days apart. The previous report was pulled on March 21st, and then the re-import was April 25th. If y'all have any questions or you would like to sign up, I'll leave all that information in the description of the video. Hope y'all have a great day.